Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Senzo. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. So a twist to the Senzo Meyiwa trial as more shocking allegations were revealed and made by Advocate Thobane, who claimed that Senzo Meyiwa had an intimate and romantic relationship with Kelly Khumalo's sister. Zandie Khumalo left the courtroom and Zandie shocked. He also claimed that Kelly Khumalo was well aware of the affair, you guys. The advocate dropped the bomb when he cross-examined Senzo's friend Utumelo and asked him if he was aware that Senzo was intimately involved with Zandile. Utumelo then responded by saying that he cannot deny or agree to what he said, but he said that Senzo loved girls, so he cannot confirm nor deny that. So please check out this video, guys.
At the end, Senzo ended up having a relationship with Zandie as well. He had sexual relationship with Zandie because Kelly has been away for a long time.
Kwase kwenzeka ke ukuthi uSenzo aseqhubeka esethandana ke naye ke uZandie futhi ke kwase elala kanye naye ke uZandie ngenxa yokuthi ke uKelly ebengekho isikhathi eside.
Angeke ngakuphika lokho, angeke ngakuvuma because ngiyamazi uSenzo ubewathanda amantombazana.
I would never deny that. I would never admit to that because I know that Senzo loved women.
What is the relevance of Senzo's character? I mean, especially now that he's not there to defend himself.
Your Lordship,
why would we climb onto a deceased person?
Thank you, Your Lordship. It's what I'm concerned with.